Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. This time, a watch that I bought for my collection. This is an HZ watch. It's a micro brand that they had really cool releases. I think they had the HZ-01, HZ-02, HZ-03, HZ Everyday, and this one, as you can see from the picture here, is the HZ-03 Blue Marble, which I think is a really cool watch. It was sold out, and then they sent an email that it will be available for a short time. So I put my order in, and it just arrived. Really happy that it came that fast. Yeah, this is basically what the watch came with. The warranty. Just have to contact Matt from HZ-Watches to register the 2-year warranty. And yeah, as you can see, you get a travel pouch, which is well made. Some, I think, faux leather. Let's get to the watch itself. If you do like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. Wow. So I chose the Aventurine dial because I don't have any Aventurine dials in my collection. And it's a titanium watch, as also I don't have titanium watches. Only titanium watch I have is the Militado, which I will be selling also. And let's see if it opens from the side. It does open from the side. So let's keep this. Really nice dial. I really like the Aventurine. So this one is called the Blue Marble because it's inspired by the first full portrait of the Earth in 1972. As you can see here from the seconds, running seconds. So this watch is a quartz watch. If you didn't notice that it's a quartz watch because it's not running yet, but most quartz watches come with these crown safety. Just have to take this off and take the stickers. So what you get with the watch is, of course, this titanium, this the hertz frequency that this Seiko VD78 Quartz movement running at, which finishes, I think, 3 years the battery takes to get changed. Let's put the crown inside, and then you can see the ticking of the seconds. So I chose this one because of the Aventurine dial and how light titanium is. So what you get with this watch, before I tell you what you get, I'll go through the specs. You have a 36 millimeters diameter. You have a lug to lug of 44, thickness of around 11.5, and a lug width of 20 millimeter. So you get grade 5 titanium, polished and brushed from the sides. As you can see, mix of polished and brushed. You have a triple AR coated dome crystal. As you can see, a lot of dome, almost 1.5 millimeter domed crystal. You have 100 meters water resistant, and no screw down crown, because what I know is that screw down crowns, titanium, they could merge together. So titanium on titanium, that's why it doesn't have a screw down crown, but still 100 meters of water resistant is useful on every day and on travel. Get this leather strap, which is quite supple, quite soft, genuine leather. I think the first thing I would do is definitely change it. And you get also on the buckle the hertz of the movement, which I think is a cool touch. So people would say 36 is small. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, and I think with these protruding lugs, 36 just looks perfect. I still have the Nomos Club Campus 38.5. Has also protruding lugs, wears like a 41. I would say this one wears like a 39, so it does look quite good. And yeah, I think they have also white and black dials, just plain, I think, plain dials. But I really like this one. There is no loom on the watch, which is something to think about if you want something for at night. But the coolness of this watch is for me the Aventurine dial. So this watch is 259 euros. And if you're buying it from EU, you will have to pay VAT. I paid 55 euros VAT with the DHL service fees. So be wary of that if you order these watches from outside of the EU, that you always have to pay these kinds of VAT or to calculate these kind of costs. Yeah, I think I covered everything. Yeah, the case back is screwed in with these 4 screws, and as you can see, the watch has this, or the strap comes with a easy quick release spring bar system. Tapers down to 16, which looks quite nicely. But like I said, most of the time when I get these kind of straps, what I usually do is just remove the strap the first thing and put it on a different strap. Really, really impressed by these Aventurine dials. Really nice. Very cool watch, I have to say. Can get on 12 o'clock, as you can see the logo, HZ-Watches. Pretty nice watch, as you can see also the logo on the crown. So that's about it for the unboxing. I'll wear it for the next couple of weeks, and then maybe in a month or so I'll do a full review video on the watch. So if you do like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. The subscription button is in the middle, and you'll find 2 videos on the right and on the left that you might enjoy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.